So guys, these are my ingredients. So I am going to use coconut milk. You can pick any coconut milk of your choice, Asda, wherever you go. And I am going to use the desiccated coconut as well. And I will be using 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You can skip this if you don't like baking soda, you can skip it. And I'll use my waakye leaf. This is what we use in Ghana. If you don't have this, you can use baking soda, or if you don't want to, you can just use this one and the coconut milk and the desiccated coconut. That will help you. And you know, to do waakye, your main ingredient is going to be beans and rice. So now I'll show you everything, and salt to taste. Let's get into this video. Okay guys, I've already washed my beans here, and it's already I'm going to start cooking it. But let me give you one tip. If you want your beans to cook very quick, you can just cut one big onion, and just chop them into two so that you can pick them up after cooking and leave them in here. It helps the beans to cook very quick. So if you are not in any hurry, then you leave it to cook with its own time. So I finished washing it, and I've used one of the leaf to wrap it up. I'm using only half of it. I'm not using all of it, so that next time I can use it. So I'm just adding it in there, and I'll add hot water into it so that it brings it to boil quickly. So guys, my beans is cooked now. It's been cooking for about 30 minutes. You don't want the beans to be so soft, or by the time the rice is more like cooked, it's gonna be, this is easier way for me. Dark now. This is what I don't like about winter. 4 o'clock is dark. It makes it look like you're doing things late, but it's not. Okay, this is easier way to take this out because I know it, but it has unraveled itself. So 1 or 2 might be in there. It's fine. When the rice is cooked, you can just bring that out, and you can still use your leaf again. If you store it in a freezer, you can use it again. So now this is how it's looking at the moment. I'm going to add my baking soda and I'm adding the coconut. So the next coconut milk, if you're using it, don't put too much water if you don't like soft waakye, because it makes the rice go soft quicker. So please, if you're using it, and especially you use the okay, so guys, if you're using the coconut milk, look how creamy it makes your rice. You do not have to add too much water in your rice, because if you do, you are going to have a soggy rice, unless you like soft rice. I do like make my waakye soft because Jaden eats some, and I want everybody to enjoy. Okay guys, I've already washed my salad. I picked the ones that is already made. I've washed it again with white vinegar. So I'm just gonna tip it in the bowl. Sometimes you don't have to go through all the stress. If the shops have done it for you, just go for it. So guys, what I'm trying to say is during the week, if you can manage to food prep everything you want to use, like you have to ask your children what they want to eat during the week, if that's how your house is. If they eat anything you cook, then you have to plan it, like, oh, maybe this week we are going to have jollof rice, we will be having fried yam, we'll have this and that. So you just, I'm enjoying my berry tea. You just make your stew ready, because today the only thing I'm doing now basically is to cook the rice, make some salad, and set up my table. So at least it helps. So food prepping is very good when you are busy mom. So please, or busy dad, just prep your food, keep what you want in the fridge. One of these days I will do how I make my waakye stew, because you know stews takes a long time, so if you add it to your cooking, it makes it quite long. I like fresh tomatoes and onions in my salad, so in my lettuce, so I'm just adding them to give it a nice. You know, if you make Ghana salad, you need a lot of, like, typical Ghana salad is it's a lot. You need every, like, tuna, you need this, you need that. So I'm not doing Ghana salad. I like So guys, this is the end of the video. I finished cooking my waakye. Enjoy it. If you're new here, a very big warm welcome to you. Can you please hit and don't forget to share and like. I am enjoying my food. I can see Jaden is enjoying. Bless you all. Have a great day. Bye.